What up, YouTube? This True Beast video again for you. And one of the things that we wanted to highlight today in a troubleshoot or a proof of concept, if you will, was the ideology of going with a higher name brand ECU. So when we built this car, we built it, finished it midsummer. So it was tuned on a summer day here in Utah. I think coolant temps were, no lower than 80 degrees on a cold morning. So we're going to go over cold starts. Utah just recently had a swing into winter, and it happened really quickly. So I believe it's, what'd you say, 35, 40 degrees outside right now?
Probably like 32.
my nipples are hard. And this car has never seen that since the tune. So we're going to give it an attempt to start it. I'll give you guys a close-up of the dash, showing what the coolant temp sensor is reading as it is now. There's I believe E95 in the tank right now. Again, wasn't tuned for a cold start on ethanol. It is tuned for ethanol, but was never dialed in for a cold start. I'm gonna guess that we're probably gonna see, normally I crank 2 or 3 times, fires right up. I'm thinking we're probably gonna see 3-4 seconds as the ECU dials it in, and we'll see if it happens the way we want it to.
And one more thing, just before you guys go, see I got jacket, hat, and everything on. Check this guy out.
Yeah, I'm cold.
It's 32 degrees.
Oh, it's too cold for Volkswagen people. All right, gents, let's take you inside the car in my cluttered garage. Let those fuel pumps go. Drop my phone. Alright, so oil temp's already given me a warning. It's actually not bad, 59 on the coolant temp.
That's not bad.
So we'll give her a good old whirl. Good 5-6 seconds and a grab. Gonna let her idle here for a minute, get warmed up, get some oil flowing and juicing around. Keep an eye on the temps, see how it goes. Tech, baby. Cold air intake. Now that it's like 40 outside, it's got all the cold airs.
And this is when you want to cool your drink, guys. You put it right here, let the turbo suck all the cold air you can get.
Put a monster in there, some ice. let it go in.
You never
It'll
do
blend
this.
it up for you.
This is like a next generation Mercedes right here.
Oh, here. We'll just ask the good old YouTube where the sticker should go.
Oh yeah, true. So we're trying to put our channel name in here in this corner. What you guys think? Where would be the best place to put it? I don't know about this fender.
So here's a sticker. As you can see, it was made way too big for Volkswagen. So we'll leave it up to you in the comments to see where this should go, or if we should make a new design or anything. And I had a few ideas, so one of them was up here, potentially. I don't know if you get a good shot of that.
I'm not sure if a lot of people will be able to see when you go that fast.
You know, I could go right in front of the passenger, because they don't need to see, but we could go, I was thinking maybe somewhere here. Like, I'd like to go down an inch, maybe put it there, one on each side. I'm not a huge fan of decking out the rear window, but
I feel like it's gonna be better with quarter panels. Just like that, both sides.
maybe on the body.
The color's just too loud, bro. Let me block this muffler for you. This is how you keep it quiet. No noise. This is like when you go into, when you have a friend and a passenger and you go into a neighborhood, just have him hold this and run behind it so you can be quiet.
Not too shabby. Ethanol content went down, so I guess that was a start on 71E. Fuel temp super cold, that's nice. Starting to idle down a little bit, starting to warm up. I think the fans kick on it. First stage fans kick on 186, second stage I think is 194, and usually my second stage fans can keep it in between those two. The first stage can't hold it, and then an oil temp is just airflow, so if I idle too long I think oil temp might be an issue, but I normally don't just sit here and idle. It's just cold mornings, too wet, no traction, so she's just been a garage princess. Alright guys, I think that was a successful cold start. Took a little bit longer than I anticipated, but for no previous tune, no setup, no cold start, warm-up enrichments, idles, tables, none of that stuff's been inputted or calibrated. This was purely, I'd give it 90% all just Haltech coming up with what needs to happen for it to fire and go. We'll bring it back to the tuner. I'm currently waiting on a new air-to-water intercooler. The old one was not sufficient in the higher boost levels, so currently she's 24 pounds boost, 30 on the works. All the supporting mods are there to make that happen. We just couldn't keep the intake air temps down. We actually saw higher, faster numbers, if you would believe, down at 20 pounds where it could cool it versus pulling all the timing out at 24, 25 pounds. So she'll boost creep up to 24, but now that the days are getting colder, the intake temps aren't killing my timing anymore. So it's It's definitely a winter modification to try and get it set up for next summer in those high hot days. Other than that, running, idling, great. Started up, found its groove pretty quickly, and we'll leave it there. I'm going to stand here for another 15 minutes freezing, but now that we've got the Volkswagen heater on, let it warm up, get some oil temp in it, tuck her back away for the night. So it's a quick video to show you guys the benefits of going a higher name brand ECU. Putting it in perspective, I was on Megasquirt before, and with this wouldn't have happened. And anything with that low of a coolant temp on startup, it just wasn't firing my IGNs, it just wasn't starting, it wouldn't even try. So I'll leave it at there, and I appreciate the support out there, and all you Volkswagen lovers, start watching some of the Volkswagen videos so that we can put that 2JC in its place. Later, guys.
I can't even see you.
I can.
I know, but I can't see your face. Don't fucking record. It's recording now.
Intro made. We're gonna put that at the start of every video now.
Oh, we're just being fucking dumbasses.
No.
And you can actually see you now. You can come in a little closer. Feels like you're cold.
I am fucking cold. I'm gonna have to go to the other side.
Go get a jacket.
Maybe the other side. This side.
Yeah, you're a little bit further, but you're alright.
Yeah.
Yeah, you get right there. Go ahead before the battery dies.
Yeah, what do we do? I forgot what we're doing because I'm fucking cold.
Go get a jacket.
I don't want a jacket. I need to look manly in this video.
You can be naked then.
I drive a Volkswagen. I gotta be all that is man.
Drive a Volkswagen.